Hey there, tech enthusiasts and MacBook users. Today, I am excited to introduce to you the new for MacBook Retina 13 A1706 A1708 A1989 A2159 A2289 A2251 A1932 A2179 A2337 A2338 A1466 laptop LCD screen display assembly. This top quality, brand new assembled product is designed to bring a whole new level of clarity and vibrancy to your MacBook display. Not only does this product offer a stunning visual experience, but it also comes with a product warranty, ensuring that you receive the best after-sales service. We stand behind our products and are committed to providing our customers with the latest information on laptop spare parts in the Chinese market. Now, I want to emphasize that this assembly is not for the faint of heart. It requires some technical skills with disassembling and assembling laptops. So, if you are confident in your abilities, this product is perfect for you. Rest assured, each LCD display is meticulously tested before shipping to guarantee that it is in perfect working condition upon arrival. And when it comes to payment, we offer a variety of options including T/T, bank transfer, West Union, MoneyGram, Alipay, and cash, making your purchase as convenient as possible. To give you even more peace of mind, all of our items undergo a 100% testing process before being shipped, and we offer a 90-day warranty on all products. If you encounter any issues with your purchase, simply provide us with pictures or ship the item back and we promise to replace it for you. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a high-quality, reliable LCD screen display assembly for your MacBook Retina 13, look no further. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we are here to address any questions or concerns you may have. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your MacBook display today with the new for MacBook Retina 13 A1706 A1708 A1989 A2159 A2289 A2251 A1932 A2179 A2337 A2338 A1466 laptop LCD screen display assembly. Click the link in the description to make your purchase now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech reviews and product recommendations.